I'll go in Supremo.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right on Ghana MTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Endra, Sembi CIM Mobopa yesterday. A whole country, over 60 years of independence. In fact, when you take, I think we are 68 years now, because 57, so by 2027 to be 70 years, okay, of independence. Almost getting towards retirement as a nation. And I say we have even passed the retirement, because the retirement is 60. Now, they organize a program. Special guest of honors. Munko for V8 Echo. Yetia DJs, yetia sound system. Nina. Adenya. Muko launch pad. Free sanitary pad for students. Over 60 years of independence. 68 years of independence. So, sanitary pad distribution. We organize a program to launch it. And in attendance, President of the Republic, Minister of Education, presidential staffers. Hey, Obia boy Diana. I always ask this because, like, I don't know share and yet normal. There's nothing normal about it. Like, there be like something is wrong somewhere. Something is wrong somewhere. Something is really, really wrong somewhere. That a whole nation, over 68 years of independence, sanitary pad. Well, you see, already even policy Nagasano, there are issues with it. It's a sanitary pad, issues with it. 300 million Ghana cedis. But give or take, let's give it to them. Said they want to do it at all costs. No problem. Must you organize a program to launch it? You can't do it virtually. You can go into a studio, even at the Ministry of Education. That's right there. Few people in attendance, staff of the ministry. Stream live on Facebook, YouTube, or GTV. Simple. The fanfare to transport students and on. For what? What is wrong with this government? Then Nekoso. Then put Nekoso government to him. I buy with your mama, I buy with Mono. Then put numbers on much. Now, you see the kind of pad they were giving as a pampers. Pad no as a pampers. Only images now as a pampers. The ones are there with a low grade be. Low grade na ye or China village be mo. Because we they made in Ghana. Low grade. And I had the HH man nkola no. Now name ni esre. HH sana ye bisa guys no say ye che bi ma guys no so. Obisa say o require no so o call WC so na o dey call paper ni. Side. Ebisa ba ko so o dey call bobo. Because you see, when the policy does not make sense, even the later ones, these young ones, even them, they see that at their way there, that is it. It's as simple as that. Even the later one, some of them primary judges, there we are a whole country say, mudi 300 million,
from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. We're very grateful to Your Excellency. We're grateful to you, Your Royal Majesty King Taki Taiko through the second. As His Excellency takes the seat. We're also grateful to you.
What will you with your heart?
What will you use the pad for?
Please, I'll give it to my sister.
What will you use the pad for? What will you use the pad?
I'll give it to my mother.
How about you?
I'll give it to my sister.
I'll go use to play ball.
I'll give it to my sister.
Are you happy about it?
Yes, please.
What makes you happy about it?
I'm happy because I'll no longer need to buy sanitary pad in my next month. So thank you very much, Mr. President.
Hello, are you happy about this? Why are you happy?
Because they're educating us, they're talking about they're sharing pads to us.
Why are you happy about getting the pad?
Because finally women don't have to be shy about getting their periods. I'm going to sell it.
Why will you sell it? Why will you sell the pad?
Money.
You need money? At your age, what do you need money for?
Now it may be so. Yeah, my minimum year sister. Do you menstruate only once in a year? No. And to say I buy me chiche pads na pad no ebia be once. A whole year more. What difference does it make? What impact will it make? It's just unnecessary jamboree and waste of time. Complete waste of time and of resources, scarce resources for that matter. Because this is a country under IMF intervention. And I doing now. A country under IMF intervention. These are the things we are doing. We must all come together with a united voice and start speaking against some of these things. I'm not saying, pads should not be distributed. But I'm saying that over 8 years of Akufo-Addo, there was increase in attendance, even in the basic schools. There was increase even in NABES. Was even a time, I remember, girl to boy ratio. No? Now the girls were advanced, so there were more girls in school than boys. So there is no backdrop and no explanation whatsoever to the kind of jamboree and wastage we are witnessing. I dare we a contract for the boys, I tell you. And yet say a contract for the boys. Contract for the girls. It be a bit slay queen be or baby. Or person called China now for pass umbra. And say by all means, by any means possible, are buying faster and sensible so that they can quickly add 1 or 2 together, add few zeros here and there. And that is it. This is a kind of nation we are being asked to entertain for 4 years. May God bless our homeland Ghana and make her great and strong. This has been a political rant with me, The Voice, right on Ghana Stem TV GH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.